Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Reviews. Today we're looking at the Redmi Note 8 Pro. This is the unboxing video. So here's a decent box. What's inside here? So we have a case of some kind here. Have a look. There is the eject tool. Comes with the case. Some manuals here. Inside here. Oh, nice clear case. Looks pretty good. Oh, there's the European charger, as this is the international version, and USB 3 or USB-C cord. Not bad. And here's the phone itself. This is the white edition. Looks pretty nice. I tried to have a look and see if there's a screen protector on it, and there isn't one. On the actual phone itself, we got underneath there's a headphone jack, a USB cord, speaker. On this side we got the power button, volume rocker. On the top we have an infrared port and another microphone. On the back, on the side, there's the looks like the SIM, and it takes two nano SIMs, or one a micro SD and a SIM card. And then we got the triple camera, actually quad camera setup, 3 cameras here, one here in the flash, and there's the fingerprint reader. So it's a pretty nice setup here. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If there's any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thanks. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the video.